Creating a project task list. Every project can be perceived as a set of project tasks that needs to be assigned and monitored. Establishing a detailed project task list is a crucial aspect of effective project management. To create a project task, start by navigating to the relevant project details page and select the Project Management tab. Within this tab, like the Task Portal, you'll find the Task Board and Task List pages, along with a Gantt chart exclusive to the Project Management tab. Proceed to add all the tasks required for successful completion of the project utilizing either the Task List or Task Board pages. If you require more details on how to create tasks, please see the Creating, Editing and Deleting Tasks tutorial. As tasks are added, the parent field will automatically be assigned the selected project. Keep this default setting as it automatically organizes the created task under the project. There is also an option to view the tasks over the Gantt chart. Refer to this tutorial for more information. Upon completing the list of tasks, your project scope is finalized. Finally, the last step is to generate a project scope document. This PDF document outlines all relevant project scope details. To complete this step, please refer to this tutorial.